Hey everyone, it's Your Name here, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly important for your overall health and well-being: vitamin D deficiency. You see, so many people focus on the common symptoms like low back pain, depression, high blood pressure, inflammation, and autoimmune issues. While those are certainly red flags, there are some pretty bizarre symptoms that often fly under the radar. Blood tests often only reveal the inactive form of vitamin D. They don't tell the whole story of what's happening at the cellular level. That's why I want to shine a light on 11 surprising signs of vitamin D deficiency that you absolutely need to be aware of. So let's jump right in. Now, you might associate a sweaty head with a strenuous workout, but did you know it could also be a sign of vitamin D deficiency? This is especially common in infants, but don't dismiss it if you're a teenager or adult experiencing this. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating calcium levels in your body, and calcium is essential for proper nerve function. When your vitamin D levels are low, it can disrupt the delicate balance of calcium, leading to overstimulation of your sweat glands. If you notice your little one's head getting excessively sweaty, especially during feedings or when they're sleeping, it's definitely something to bring up with your pediatrician. And for you adults out there, don't just brush off excessive head sweating as normal. Let's talk about those nights when you wake up feeling like you just ran a marathon, drenched in sweat even though your room is cool. Sound familiar? This could be another sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating your body temperature. When your levels are low, it can disrupt your body's internal thermostat, leading to excessive sweating, especially at night. Waking up in a puddle of your own sweat is not exactly a recipe for a restful night's sleep. If you consistently find yourself waking up drenched in sweat, even when your sleep environment is cool and comfortable, it's worth considering vitamin D deficiency as a potential culprit. Your body might be trying to tell you something's out of whack. We've all been there. One minute you're happy-go-lucky, the next you're ready to unleash the Kraken. But if you find yourself on an emotional roller coaster more often than not, it might be time to take a closer look at your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D acts like a powerful hormone, influencing everything from your bone health to your brain chemistry. When your vitamin D levels are low, it can throw neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine out of whack, leading to mood swings, irritability, and even feelings of depression. So, if you're feeling like your emotions are all over the place, don't just brush it off as one of those days. Chapter 5. Panic Attacks and Vitamin D. A surprising connection. Let's talk about panic attacks. Those sudden episodes of intense fear that can leave you feeling like you're having a heart attack or completely losing control. Now, while there are many factors that can contribute to panic attacks, including genetics and stress, did you know that vitamin D deficiency might also play a role? Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels in your body, and calcium is essential for proper nerve function. When your vitamin D levels are low, it can disrupt the delicate balance of calcium, leading to nerve overstimulation. This can manifest as anxiety, restlessness, and in some cases, full-blown panic attacks. Chapter 6. Aches and pains. Could vitamin D deficiency be the culprit? We've all experienced aches and pains at some point in our lives, whether it's from a tough workout, sleeping in an awkward position, or just the general wear and tear of life. But if you're experiencing persistent aches and pains, especially in your pelvis, lower back, hips, and upper legs, it might be time to consider vitamin D deficiency as a potential culprit. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your bones, muscles, and joints. When your vitamin D levels are low, your body can't absorb calcium as efficiently, leading to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. Additionally, low vitamin D levels can contribute to inflammation throughout your body, including in your muscles and joints, leading to pain and stiffness. Chapter 7. Muscle weakness. The hidden impact of vitamin D deficiency. Feeling weak and lacking your usual strength? It might be more than just a tough workout. Believe it or not, vitamin D deficiency could be the culprit behind your muscle weakness. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function. It helps your muscles contract and relax properly, and it's also involved in muscle growth and repair. When your vitamin D levels are low, your muscles don't have what they need to function at their best. This can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even muscle cramps. If you're experiencing unexplained muscle weakness, it's worth getting your vitamin D levels checked. Chapter 8. Stiffness and vitamin D. What's the connection? Feeling stiff and creaky, especially in your knees and fingers? You're not alone. Many people experience stiffness as they age, but did you know that vitamin D deficiency could be making it worse? Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your joints. When your vitamin D levels are low, your body can't absorb calcium as efficiently, leading to weaker bones and an increased risk of osteoarthritis, a condition that causes joint pain and stiffness. Additionally, low vitamin D levels can contribute to inflammation throughout your body, including in your joints, making that stiffness even worse. Feeling constantly exhausted, like you're running on fumes no matter how much sleep you get? You might be dealing with chronic fatigue, and believe it or not, vitamin D deficiency could be the culprit behind your energy slump. Vitamin D plays a vital role in supporting your mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of your cells. When your vitamin D levels are low, your mitochondria can't function at their best, leading to a decrease in energy production. This can leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and mentally drained, even if you're getting enough sleep and eating a healthy diet. Don't just accept chronic fatigue as a normal part of life. Ever feel like you're walking through a mental fog, struggling to focus, remember things, and think clearly? You might be experiencing brain fog, and vitamin D deficiency could be a contributing factor. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in supporting your brain health and cognitive function. When your vitamin D levels are low, your brain doesn't have what it needs to function at its best. This can lead to brain fog, memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and even an increased risk of cognitive decline as you age. If you're experiencing brain fog or other cognitive issues, it's worth getting your vitamin D levels checked. Do you find yourself constantly reaching for snacks, even after a filling meal? It's not just a lack of willpower. Vitamin D deficiency could be playing a role in your overeating habits. Vitamin D plays a surprising role in regulating your appetite and feelings of satiety. When your vitamin D levels are low, your leptin production can be disrupted, leading to increased hunger, cravings, and difficulty feeling satisfied after meals. This can lead to overeating, weight gain, and difficulty maintaining a healthy weight. If you're struggling with constant hunger and cravings, get your vitamin D levels checked and see if a deficiency could be contributing to your overeating habits.